while this may not be the most high-profile project on campus, I can tell you it's one that's going to have a real everyday impact. We get asked about parking more than anything else on this campus. This is also a very busy part of campus, as you know. It serves the Low Center for the Arts, just around the corner here, Centennial Hall, just over the road there, Murphy Library, and the Wing Technology Center, as well as Morris Hall. So there's a lot of activity in this area of campus. And as you're all keenly aware, we are very close to the rest of the city here. There's a lot of city traffic that comes down this area, a lot of students parking. So having an accessible, I think, and reliable parking facility here is going to make a huge difference for our students, faculty and staff, and visitors. We get many visitors on this campus who go, for example, to the Low Center of the Arts and other places. This new ramp gives campus an increase of 440 parking spaces. That's a big deal for a campus of this size. It's going to help to address a very real demand on this campus, and it's been designed with the future in mind as well. For example, there is EV charging in this parking ramp. There's stormwater management for when it does rain in this region, and the ability to support, if we wish, a solar canopy down the line. It's a thoughtful investment, I think, that supports both where we are today and what we may need in the future.